up, you guys? Yes. Again, this is the second video of today, May 7, 2025. It's 8:43 in the morning, no? And it's my parents' anniversary right now. Pero as you're watching this, it's I think June 6, June 7. I don't know the uploading schedule anymore. Nakalimutan ko na because I skipped 2 days again ulit, no? Just like what I said earlier. Pero I have a beef, no, with Shopee. No? Kasi Shopee, there's one of the parcels na hindi dumating pa sa akin. It was around May 4 pa ang expected date. Oo, binigyan mo kami ng voucher. Yes. Pero paano naman ang parcel? No? Paano naman yung parcel na hindi dumating? And nirefund, nag-file ako ng refund for that. Pero in-insist ng seller na paparating na daw yung item. Yung item. No? Hindi ko lang sasabihin ko anong item yon. But, part siya ng childhood ko. No? Kung naalala nyo yung parang 8 ball, malaki siya na 8 ball. Pwede namang maliit yung 8 ball. Pero, depende yun. No? Kung parang keychain kasi siya. Sa maliit or malaki, basta as long as may 8 ball tayo. Then, nagpapredict siya ng yes, no, sit on it, or something like that. Yung mga ganyan. I tried, no? Pero, nung nirefund ko siya, I asked for, or I filed for a refund sa Shopee. Ang ginawa nila is, I chatted with the seller first, no? I chatted with the seller first. Ang sabi talaga pinipilit talaga ng seller na paparating pa daw ang item. So, and then, kahit gano'n, nag-file pa rin ako ng refund, no? So, ang gagawin dyan is, Shopee, please, either ibigay nyo sa akin yan or ibigay nyo yung refund ko. I'll be waiting for 7 days, which is sa 12 pa, May 12 pa, no? So, medyo matagal-tagal pa yun. So, Shopee, nireport ko na yung account na yun. Nireport ko na yung, hindi naman kasi siya scammer. Kasi, in a way, marami na silang produkto and marami nang sold items, no, mula sa store nila. But, very much so, scamming pa rin yun. Kasi, hindi dumadating yung item eh. Baka nawala na or what not. Kasi the last time I checked, nasa Lapu-Lapu na yun eh. April 27 pa yun, nasa Lapu-Lapu na. So, bakit hindi siya nakausad ng Mandawi? And bakit pinipilit pa rin nila na paparating ang item kahit hindi ko naman nakikita, look. Ang sabi doon sa estimated date, April 30 to May 4. What is it now? May 7. Paano? Wala pa rin eh. So, what do I have to do? Nireport ko na rin ng seller kahit paano. I made an active parang request refund, no? So, hopefully Shopee i-address dito ng maayos kasi ayaw ko na platinum member ako pero na-trauma ako sa pag-purchase mula sa inyong mga stock, mga shops, mga stores. So, please, no? Yeah. It happens eh. Sometimes like that happens. May mga na-receive nga ako na parang scam. Kasi, yung product nila is supposedly printers, pero ang binigay sa amin thermal paper. So, that's also a scam, no, Shopee? This is the second time around meron ako na-receive na ganyan. So, ewan ko sa inyo, no? But, hopefully, you'll fix this kasi ito lang yung nagkaroon ako ng chance to file a report, no? At the same time to file a refund request, no? Kasi talagang mahirap yung ganun eh. Malaki yung binayaran ko doon eh. It's around 100 plus, no? So, although hindi naman ganun kalakihan yon, pero sayang pa rin yung 100 plus na yun. Pwede ko na ipili sa ibang ano yun. Ibang, ibang produkto, no? So, Shopee, baka naman. Baka naman na. And, yeah, yun lang naman. I just had to address the fact that medyo na-trauma ako doon dahil sa sobrang hina ng request ng response ng Shopee. Sabi nila nare-receive nila pero wala pa ring update. Okay. I'll update you kapag meron ng update from that case, no? So, yan lang muna for now, you guys. I'm your host, your one and only boy, Chevron Suarez. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe. I love you all. Bye-bye. God bless. Blessed be.